Alright, so I was about to start this video to show the new modulus 65 V2, and I started thinking, I was like, I wanted to be able to tell you guys if it was possible or not to be able to use a modulus frame for your Beta 75X, and I didn't have the answer to that, but I had remembered, oh, hey, I had just gotten a Beta FPV FCESC stack in the mail today, just like 30 minutes ago, because I had ordered this for somebody's Tomaquad's Whoopee, and so I was like, cool, I can open this up, I can grab the stack and throw it on here and see if I can put, like, well, I don't have any out right now, but those little 5mm standoffs that I use on the Whoopee, and see if it would line up. It actually looks kind of like the whole pattern is a little bit smaller, but I opened up this box, lifted this up, ta-da! Nothing in the fucking box. Nothing. Except a bag of screws. I paid, what, 45, 50 bucks for this? I mean, how can they let that happen? It's just, it pisses me off so bad. I just want to kill somebody right now. I swear, I'm so mad. Oh man, so mad. Okay. I'm a little bit sick, so my voice sounds crackly. So this is the modulus V2. Here's the modulus V1. This one's been out for a long time now. I loved this frame so much. Huge fan of it. I never had one with the prop guard on it, but I think it still looks pretty cool with it, and it's very functional. Yeah, I love the V1. So for anybody that hasn't seen my old videos, because I did do probably 3 or 4 videos on the modulus V1, modulus 65, the 1102 version, and there was a 0703 version that I did, and I built one of those too, and I liked it too. It was a 1S one. But now you can do a nice little 2S one. But anyway, this is a 2S one. Both of them are. They're both 1102 version. You can see the V2 looks a little bit bigger. It's pretty much just the prop guard that's making it look bigger. I'm pretty sure it's still a 65mm. Actually, I know it is. But the arms, they look a little bit different. I guess you can tell from the bottom. Yeah, it's just got the two screw holes. So I'm sure that shaves some weight. It's still nice and durable. As you can see, I only use 2 screws on the V1 anyway, so why not just use 2 screws? I really like his design for the prop guard mount. This is TPU, and it just screws into the bottom there and clips in right here. Pretty clever. But look what you can do. Yeah. So the TPU is pretty soft. I was talking to him about that. I think he's gonna try some different materials to maybe get a little bit stronger. I mean, not stronger, but stiffer. But as it is right now, it's totally fine. I mean, you could hit something pretty hard and it's not gonna, well, I guess really hard it's gonna hit the prop, but this thing's so light, you know, it's just gonna bounce off of stuff anyway. So the TPU actually makes it bouncy. So instead of breaking, it just gives, you know. You can see it just has give instead of cracking or breaking. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty much the same. Actually, you know what? I do remember him saying, I think, that he did make the arms a little bit longer to make a little bit more room. I guess I could measure it. But I guess then it wouldn't really be a modulus 65. Yeah, it's probably 67 maybe, 68. It's probably 68mm. Yeah. So yeah, it is 3mm bigger, and that's, you know, just to give you a little bit more room, because I mean, like I've said before, my biggest problem with when Flex RC came out with the Nano X, it's a similar type of design, you know, but it was 58 millimeters. And if you didn't build it just absolutely perfectly right, then the props were not going to spin. They were just going to hit the stack. So when Max came out with the modulus 65, I was so excited because, you know, it was 7 millimeters bigger, which was just enough to make it to where, you know, 40 millimeter props, it's not going to hit no matter what, no matter how you build the stack. Well, I guess it could possibly if you were to make the stack a little bit too tall, but if you build it traditionally, you got plenty of room. And then with the V2, you know, you definitely have plenty of room. So, and you don't have to use these Raycon props. I really like the Raycon props. I love them. They're super expensive. They're like $7 a set, but there is 1.5 inch props out there. I know the Racer Star 1535s, those were really good props that I tried out before, and you could always cut down 2-inch props down to 1.5 inch because 40 millimeter is 1.5 inch. And I have seen people, because you know these type of motors, they have the screw holes in the top like a T-mount, so you can put any prop on there that's for a T-mount motor and just trim it down. And actually, the way that this one's set up right now, it's just under the props, so really, well, no, yeah, you could probably only go 2 or 3 millimeters bigger than 40. So yeah, 1.5 is pretty much it. But you can get, you know, a 4-blade, and it's gonna have much bigger blades on it and probably give you a lot more power. But you know, then it's gonna drain your battery quicker too. So I think this is a perfect setup, just how it is. I wouldn't mind seeing somebody out there make a nice higher kV motor, like an 1102, 1103, that's like 15 to 17,000 kV. That would be pretty sweet. But I know Flex RC has the one, but they're always out of stock and can never find them. So but yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, not very much changed really, just the design of the arms, a couple millimeters bigger, different prop guard. I definitely prefer this prop guard over this one, but it needs just a little bit stiffer material, maybe some nylon or something else, and it's gonna be just perfect. But like I said, it's good how it is. So yeah, there you go. You have any questions, let me know, and till next time.